Hi Joe, this is Brad with Burtness Chevy Buick GMC in Whitewater doing a quick walk around video for you of the 2021 Chevy Equinox Premier Redline all-wheel drive. This is a vehicle we just got in, so obviously you can see it's still a little dirty. It does have the power liftgate in the back, remote start. It's got the floor mats in the back, second row and front row, the WeatherTech style. Again, I apologize, it's a little dirty. It literally just came in, but it's here and available. It does have some safety features on it: blind spot indicators, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, fog lamps, memory seats. This one is all-wheel drive, wireless charging mat for your cell phone right there. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto are also standard on this vehicle. It's got 16,858 miles on it right now. Expecting to go through the shop hopefully tomorrow. If not, it's going to be probably Monday. It will be certified as well, so you will get additional factory warranty with it. Above and beyond what it's got left, a couple free oil changes and tire rotations, good at any GM dealership. So again, this is Brad at Burtness in Whitewater, 262-473-6060. Thanks, Joe.